Yes, the wait is overdue. We can't bother the tree today. Because rain, a fall out the door. And I don't want to catch no cold here, man. So good evening. People, I know so they not see me regular. It's fucked up. You understand me for real because I not do my job. But me dey here right now. One reason what this incident, hold on. How the blood? I don't know what me supposed to have it in there, man. With Tommylee, like a friend, them a try. I don't know what to call it. What the blood clot it there? Yo, you not like this. It's a blood clotted joke thing, yeah, man. Pussy clot. What I deal with people, good day. All me is a disgrace. Lava not the public live. Lava supposed to live over there, sir. Wait now, man. I don't know how my thing work already, man. Me I go beat you if you not stop there or something there. No? You see what I did? Watch it now. You see my life? My life, I don't wanna know me for. Can me just lick that somebody there now to you? You see me? You did know say my life is my job. Who always do my blood clot life them? Me alone. You ever see me add nobody to my life yet unless you see me come here and idle? As you hear me come here and I sit down and I say I have a topic today. You ever see me and nobody sit down and do a topic yet? Because it look like say you are the only idiot right there, so but me know that so when me come right there so and I do a live, I'm me alone, you see. Don't be a fucking idiot now, man. Me could talk. When me come here and I do a live, you will suggest fuckery. Why you don't suggest that? When me come here and I work and I do my blood clot live, you ever see me and somebody I do that? Me not even come for my life good. You don't come to see me? Go on over lava now, man. Me know say lava the live. If you want to see lava, go on over there. Me not come here for easy no man. Lava, a chat and laugh going on. This is not chat and laugh. No one chat and laugh this. You see what I did? Bad man, before none of that I read, you never see me on live with nobody yet. As my live start. Add what? You never hear one time I did start the live what I did say. Me say, me come here to talk about one topic. About Tommylee and him look a friend them. Now that you hear me say? How long me a vlog people? You look like someone of mind get clustered. You the deaf? You never hear what me say? Oh, you want to watch it? Everybody have a channel in my friend. Add what? When you hear me tell you say me come to do one topic, when you watch me on YouTube? Do you watch me on YouTube? If you do, then you know. Say if me and you dey on live, it now go up on my YouTube channel. Me only post me on my YouTube channel. I come and say now to start my bumbuckler. And that's how I know that, you know. That's why una love bumbuckler red too much, man. You see what I did? Pussy clot. I come over here so not pan a careless start. I don't come here for trouble nobody to them. I come here to help out uno as a civilization. With some little frame, you know, me see I go on and say, you know, I notice that uno as Jamaican people, uno surrounded by fuckery. So it's one time all time for nothing to be done in our country. Uno no know because uno coming like fly, you know. And fuckery and shit. Uno just fall back a blood clot shit. You see me I deal with my boy? Me show you I think no my boy. You see Jamaica people them, we can have the biggest crisis and go on right. Yes, Jamaica right now. Everybody a blood clot dead off. But just make somebody a name like a pussy around this. Make somebody a fuck one body around this. Make somebody around this a sodomite. And that them want go see. Them run back a fuck gravitate to bullshit. So you know why uno is the way uno are? Just because people can't feed on any bullshit on just blood clot take it. You feel me I deal with? So uno as a population and always I got fucked up because uno gravitated by fuckery. You see me I deal? So it's like what me can do for viral? Just go do some fuckery because them know so the whole of uno go run back at like uno just fly back a bumbo clot shit. You see when down the company internet when down if you talk about some nice little things and rare and I say yo look how the population are going down the jaja. Boy me can't believe so I said them a deal with Sparta. Sparta have the two body them under one gun they know. So me I wonder say then at the one gun then do the two. Then how come Jamaica police then can investigate for frame and lock up the dancehall artists them. But the dan them what them know about them can't find one murder pan for them name or a gun pan them belly. You see me I deal with? But how come the Jamaican society and the Jamaican police and the constabulary force as soon as they lock up one dancehall artist for one ticket all of a sudden, a 30 murder did come in that one car that went get a ticket there. A 59 people did dead in that the blood clot car back there. Because you ever look on it yet though? But yeah, me have to look on it one reason myself. Because I can't reason it. Like I'm a fucking fool. You see what I did? So me have to sit down and get this a reason with myself militantly. I'm say then blood clot. Then if we then catch a dancehall artist, them right, you know, for one sitting coming about, and then they catch teacher, you know. Then catch teacher upon ganja charge in a one blood clot hotel bad man. And then 3 days later, me saw 49 people teacher kill and him a go down for everyone of the blood clot murder them. They said then they'd have reliable source and pussy clot evidence for the whole of them 57 murder. Yeah. I remember, you know, he did get charged for weed. Yeah, weed, then they catch him within the blood clot hotel there with girl and sitting. And then it left from the weed to 10 murder. Then they had a 49 murder and it bust all of them. Then they catch Clive. And they say, yes, Clive. So when time I see them catch Tommylee with this gun here now. So you mean if you tell me, say, you bring him a quote for the gun before you do ballistics or after your ballistics? Because ballistics, gollistics, handtics, pontics, all kind of ticks you no go do with the blood clot gun. So that means you no charge the demon for the gun before you do the ballistics. Because if it's so be the case, you now back and front the thing, then bad man. You see me I deal with ballistics never should undo upon the gun. While you not carry it in if you know what they upon the gun, if you know say yo, the gun, the dirty. So you go charge him for the gun and then you go charge him say so at 2 times when I go bring him go court for his CM gun because they done lock him up for the gun already now the charge him he shot them with a gun to the bad one. I mean I say alright, pussy clot, yes, the gun. I just shot them and I just possession charge. Some of the things so when they supposed to go do ballistics and then trash out that. Then you just put all of the charge them together. Oh, this look like frame, sir. Oh, this look like frame, sir, because this ain't look right a bumbo clot. Una na bill. Una does a ballistic. That's all una do. Forensic. Una do all kind of forensic. All kind of blood clot situation. But watch you now. When time look into it, you know, Jamaica government, all no good for do a frame, get a youth with money. That's all on get up and good for cause want the island to look worse than it is. Every day you get up and blame me dancehall artists and no put them in jail and murder rate still a blood clot climb. Cause wait now. Tommylee that prison, you know, in that prison now, no send him there. And murder rate skyrocket. See him here. With the whole of the ballistic and the forensic and the forensic, them wanna do down at that bomb lad for dancehall artists. Me have to look into it some time. Yes, my rascal. So a dancehall artist alone on investigate. One time a dancehall artist and lack of a traffic ticket to Bumbleclad to just put all kind of investigation. All the man brief on a sniff through to Bumbleclad. So tell me something now. Una certain say the gun that wanna take off a Tommylee or not chew up on Tommylee. Cause yo, to all looking a brogan, none of your thing they not credible in a pussy while you come like king mix up. Nothing what you on your island are doing no blood clot prosper. Because guess what now? Nothing what you want to say out on a blood clot mouth not credible. Never in your life at all. I can't believe say you really blood clot Tommylee. No, Tommylee, no sir. I don't think so. Because me the value next sitting you know. When me hear one other hombre call the police, they wanna tell the police them say, here what go on. You see, if you not let go this a brother here by 10 o'clock, we are gonna come over the station and that be a problem and make sure you don't have $2 million down there. And this is him little brother from the Sparta gang and we are gonna come murder. First of all, Jamaica is not a real place here, but Jamaica is not a real blood clad place. Everybody does get free because watch you know. Why una go just come say Sparta gangs or do say Tommylee that prison right now for fucking gun. Jamaica government different, you know, because them and the bad man they link those and them are run the place. You see me at them blood clot are run the ground, you know. No bad man now run the ground. Mommy, I know say I lie, I not think say a lie, I know say a lie. Remember in the Sparta they done a blood clot Sparta and they want to say the gun. What Tommylee do with that the gun there? Tommylee in a big bumbuckler artist so can buy him one a gun them. The boy have whole heap of money where him blood clot win big case up a one other country there. Millions in win. Them the man they can buy their own a fucking gun. So now show down a one murder upon blood clot Tommylee. Dirty blood clot Jamaica system make a reason with you now, Andrew. I want to get a youth to not put a prison wrongfully to know so they in a badness for real. Some of them will even catch a youth them for no crime what them do. You know, make up some crime and show the youth them a jail. Just show the sister the youth promising and making money and win a big case. So now when a drunk crowd. Because no one suck off the whole of the youth them money in a lawyer fee pussy hole and still send them go hell. Right now, teacher that a jail for how much in murder. Right now, me not even know if that is against the law for you to try a man or a body what will never find and them thing there. Or are you going to convict a man over a body that you never find? You don't even have forensic evidence. You don't even have a blood sample to say, yes, this man was murdered here. None of that. None of that you not find. You not even find a speck of blood, but this man is in prison for this murder because you're speculating that this man probably do it or he was in the vicinity of this man when he went missing. You understand me? Me not think somebody for that prison for that. You understand me? Because when me I tell you now, Jamaica government, uno put youths at jail just because uno want them at jail. Pussy hole. Uno not do no blood clot investigation, bomba hole idiot. Uno have some case on the table long time. Uno want choose on some man. Uno want lawyer money. So uno see some big artists come, uno know say can pay for lawyer money. Uno chew it on the youth, them pussy hole. So uno deal with it. A years now uno chew down murder and rape and corruption pan ghetto youths. Uno put out blood clot evidence when I gossip and ghetto youths and I deal with ghetto youths away. Because brother, me tell you this, me know as books I put this on the youth. I put it on the youth. Only did it so. Only lack of vibes cartel in a jail for right now for a man who never find. Only no know which part him there. We don't have no forensics, no nothing. We can't find the same weakness when said he dead when time I dead. Why him can't come point out where him body there? And we don't have this man in jail because we don't Jamaica system, we don't put people in a jail just because we don't want them there. The only reason why Tommylee is in jail right now, other than the gun we want to find upon him, is just because we don't want to lock him there for a very long time. I saw no stay. I want to know the real pussy hole boy, them want dirt people. Tommylee, them a sing about it or a scam or a whatever on the sound to catch him with. No for the things them want to sound to catch get a youth with bad man. No for them on can't even prove them on just get up and I say them youth. You feel me I deal with? Because me now go tell us that Tommylee can't have a blood clot gun to kill Fall and kill Wani. But why? But why? You can't blood clot say yo, you may feel like saying kill Wani because yeah, I him this. Why you not still have a gun like that? Why me, Tommylee Sparta, would I still have the gun when do them the crucial murder they upon me? One time we have them the big murder they upon gun as bad man, them would have more care that got dash away, got buried, got rare. Una free my youth. Una fling it down upon blood clot. Tommylee can una say him can pay a feed. Jamaica system, all Jamaica system, a whole heap of system set up ghetto youths and black people and rare and tell. You feel me I deal with? Them a set him up. You feel me I deal with? Because if you reason out the whole of that bad man. That don't make no kind of sense to me. You lock up the man and perish him for the gun and ammunition. You say, alright, that the case they should have done and kaput. What you going to do now? After you do that, you going to do test pan the gun, run bullets, run this, run that, looking at the mouth of the gun, if you say, yo, that gun I did kill Fowl, you know. And you know, so that gun I did kill Wani. That's not substantial, my friend. That seem like when you find the gun we kill Wani and kill blood clot rifle and not show it pan a ghetto youth like we always do. A phone thing that we do all the while. You understand through the years so when you look at 1 and 2 name a call in a badness, we show about couple man and call for them name pan it bad man. You see me I deal all that they look man they know where they pan the look voice recording boy, yeah. This is Robert Hill, little brother. Tell them we're coming for $2 million or else we're going to kill this police and torture him. How good I see him bomb-clad police. Make them the fucking call there. And I set up youth and I talk about Sparta gang. Just because they want to wrap up Tommylee and all kind of fuckery. Me not going to tell you say Sparta no bad man. But sometimes when I even put on them youth for some crime what them do, now put on them for some crime when they just fine, when I have on the table, I wanna fucking do it and say, oh yeah, yo, put Tommylee in jail for that one, yeah. Tommylee can hold that one, yeah. Oh no, blood clot crime fighters. Enough criminal activity we go on in Jamaica, police do it too. No found because police set up ghetto youths the most. Them no want to see nobody prosper. Right now, Tommylee I get murder charge for them the 2 man because they want to start big war and violence in Jamaica. Remember, a 2 different parish that now, that are Kingston and that are Mobile. So if you say a Sparta can kill Wani and kill blood clot rifle, a big blood clot war that you are going to start in a Jamaica for man and man kill people, man travel from blood clot Kingston for go a Mobile for go show out couple Sparta man come here say you touch Fall. Me here say me not think so the man will kill rifle. They shot him and kill him one time him come out of blood clot. What you call this now? You have to go check in when time you're there on bail. You have to go check in. Oh, you have to, them that, so that's another man will kill Fall then. Then if I the man that will kill Fall, what Tommylee do with the gun? You feel me? One just take up things and chew up on people and then people have to just hold it bad man. You see me I do it? So yo, good. It's like, yeah, me yes, Tommylee in a bad. You know, we can show down this pan Tommylee. We have that the gun there. Yo, me don't know what go on. Because that look fuck up me G. Because if you go look pan it, you go see your rifle and blood clot. One a big fight to not start. This is a big blood clot warfare because Sparta gang and this your man you over there so and that the man they go shoot up over there so my friend. It's like when I start a big war at Jamaica right there now. You see me? We town man them, I go in a war with blood clot down when nothing no go so at one time. Uno as police know all the truth enough for a time. No for the politician and blood clot rare. The whole of uno know the blood clot truth, but uno rather put one island in a war because we not take that so boy if you get dirt back for blood clot rifle. Uno go so boom now and see a Tommylee have rifle gonna kill him. No know say everybody at town I go and go down a mobile go dirt fi dirt and dirt and dirt and dirt. Town a dirt, mobile a dirt, everybody a go blood clot dirt. Because Tommylee this a member Sparta now go take it so them a go come back a town and dirt and dirt and Una a fucking fool. When no know say uno cause most of the warfare them a go on a Jamaica because uno walk and tell lies. Uno walk and tell lies to the population. And that one they do it and that one they do it on no dumb blood clot, no nothing. They must start problem. The system of fuckery. Right now, Sparta, rifle them, man them from here, some man from there so. And I'm not laughing at this, A big rascal war can start over this now. A big war and call for this. I go on right now. Who really do these things? Who really do these things? No, because when just catch them and show them on a youth. That's why the murder rate now stop. Because nowadays, the real people who do crime on them go jail. They just catch some man and lock them up. So right now, when time all this come out on the blood clot new in the media now, constabulary force say, yo, the gun where they charge Tommylee for it kill this man and it kill. Yes, man, sit down and pray. Oh, I want to kill with G. Alright. Dog, we have to go make a one move. Because yo, you know, this can't go so. Dog, no. Cast the island for them in the turmoil where it in uno as the system leaders. And I frame one youth if you go cast one nether war at Jamaica for more ghetto youths dead. I don't know so I frame and I frame youth I said, dog, I don't know what if you said to no brother. I just know, say, you see, Jamaica system are one of the leaders for the crime and violence down there. You want me to tell you why, brother? You want me to tell you why? Because you see, one time when I get up and frame, get a youth, say other things, get a youths not know about bad man, and then this your side, they start fight, this your side, and that the side. Una cause whole heap of murder and problem at Jamaica as the system leaders them down there. Cause una feel like so una can just tell lie by any ghetto youths. Cause una want, yeah, yeah man. As the boy them violate, we can go down, they go start kill them. Yeah. That's cool, man. And we sit down right there and watch time after time as Jamaica system frame ghetto youths. Some of the time, and not even the ghetto youth, not even just the artists them alone. You know what people's son una frame and then that jail right now. A whole heap and grandson and nephews that jail. Yeah. Over where system do. Una too blood clot wicked man. Una charge you if you gun alright, yeah, one gun, una find upon him. God know and not even see him gonna say kill. Una fake bad man. Una just well want to sink the youths them in a society and feel what me no know. Una well want to sink the youths them cause I like the youth that we are gonna talk about say, yo, $2 million or else we are gonna torture police, we are got this and we are got that. I said them a set up a Sparta gang. Why somebody from a gang would have come and talk about, yo, we this run is Sparta gang, if we don't get the $2 million when we come in a station now, I'll kill off the police, them and torture them and draw out them toenail and red. Why would you say Sparta? He boy all a fumble. When you hear him, he did a go say the name when call with first, then for Lego, and then he say, that the little man, the brother. Because on the desert, una walk so deep fi tie up on the loose ends them. Because on the day now the mids are framing this youth. And one time when I frame people, now fi try to make sure say everything go like how it go. You see me? No joke. When I did that, when I wrap it up, and I say, yeah, see that? A Sparta gang that. And them a come for $2 million. And them a go dirt, who for dirt, and them a go kill some police. What you mean? Which bad man don't know I call police station? I tell police station, say, yo, Lego ashtray, you know. Because any Lego ashtray, we come up there, make sure say $2 million there in a station. For when we done dirt, you know, we have it for left. Which bad man don't know do that? And the first me I hear them sitting there in my life. I first me I hear that. So because they want to frame the youth, so. Look upon that the 17-year-old boy, you know. And that now me always I tell you about Jamaica, you know. You stop look upon the little elder them. Because the generation of vipers what the Bible talk about are them this. The generation where we are look upon right now. Fathers killing children killing mama. Right now in America, yeah, my mother tell me about one Jamaican youth who kill his mother. Kill his mother. You see me? And when you look on that, the 17-year-old little boy, they will kill the teacher and bury her. You see, one time you look on that, remember, you know, he was 17. He was 17-year-old and him kill and put her in our shallow grave. You see me? In our shallow grave. He was 17-year-old. 17-year-old can do that, you know. Well, how far that different this, sir? Him look 17 to blood clot me. When you look on that the little boy there, look like breast milk still upon his lip. That's a pussy clot baby. Cause this year me a 30, you know. Can't believe it's me old, so yes, me give God thanks, cause me coulda not reach. But look on it. Look on it, you know, man. I want boy picking this one, I want little boy. Where you don't think so, some of the old G them where you sit on the corner for a long time, but the whole of the blood clot man, them afraid that, yeah man, pussy clot, see spliff tail come there. You know everybody afraid of blood clot spliff tail. Nobody no likes to say spliff tail come down the road can go that strap or bust gunshot in anybody. No man, and a spliff tail. A puppy blood clot tail. You see puppy tail? Them you look at generations of blood clot viper, them not easy because of them I listen to this song, them and I take them to heart. A dirt boy, who forget dirt. Me no run joke. Look on that they look boy. Somebody girl that now. And you know, you now come back out of prison, you go down there and Mary Magdalene I go fuck you in your hole. Mary Magdalene I go fuck you in your blood clot hole. Dig out the hole of your blood clot hole, your pussy I go bust down at that. Look then how you bleach out and nice. Soon them I send you go right over blood clot. Batty ward you gone. Them a send you right over blood clot batty cell. When time then done with your blood clot over this, they rev you out like a new Nissan. You see you bleach out and nice and look like somebody's wife. Fresh fish. So then call you. When they done with the line in a fear blood clot, batty will you a slick white line. When they done with the body hole where you blessed with, them are gonna fuck out the whole, you get pipe all blood clot night. Yeah, because me have to wonder what go on in Jamaica right now if the whole of just come turn Batman or what. I pay a Batman that yard. From the years that I be a blood clot girl just a dead so. No Batman then I just move your blood clot from here and go here, man. But no Batman in that Jamaica. Shut the fuck up. Come on from a blood clot life. Because somehow every day on the get up at that about no bat. On a Batman. On a blood clot Batman. No one can tell me fucking shit. You a Batman. A be a girl on a kill pussy wall. Be a Batman that yard right now. Batman take over that pussy clot. When I hate see pussy, when I want to see pussy, it hurt on the feelings, bomba wall. When I want to see girl fit dead, so that means I want for dirt. Cause suck on a mama. Batman full down at that. I wanna worse. You see, no, so I was, I the most grateful Batman them. Because I want a Batman the most I want to come get up attack every day, but no, I want a Batman. Big pussy clot Batman. All I want to down there, I want to love suck good. A pay man on the one. So you can just cut off a girl head and go lie down in a blood clot jail with beer man and give man heads. Now that you know what, man. You know rather kill off the blood clot tight pussy, nice blood clot girl ever fuck so sweet. The whole of them the girl ever bite up neck and bite up nipple. You don't want to kill them if you go lie down in a jail with them one bag of blood clot. But him and them drink my liquor. Yeah. Ooh, oh, they touch me, man. They touch me. Yeah. Because uno blood clot Jamaican man, miss una put out video in a jail. Una braff in a full white. Uno get so judgy because uno love man things. Jamaican man love man things the most. Uno see the man them in a jail a braff with the 10 NEC and the whole heap of blood clot weed see him here. Uno body a run like river. For blood clot NEC in a jail so uno can kill off a blood clot girl them and go in there go fuck it up man them want drink NEC. I mean, I hear no more Jamaican man cut about you no Jamaica, the Batman. No island no full of Batman like Jamaica. Jamaica have the most Batman in the Caribbean. Jamaica will hate Batman so. And that's a fucking shame. If you way you got Jamaica right now, you don't know if them are right now girl that Jamaica and you say, John, no that girl take our man that. Jamaica yesterday. Jamaica kill this fucking Jamaica the nasty blood clot Jamaica yesterday. Fuck Jamaica yesterday right this so. Yes, be a Batman down at that. You see me? Every day. That's why I tell you now, when you don't see foot or go on there, I like the big so good girl there. Every day you hear matter about some straight man. A Batman them there. Be a Batman them the bad man because I tell you this now youth. Two of me see Jamaica run for a while, they know say I are the leader of the Batman circle, pussy well footer. Pussy me hate you like poison. Me pray every night say you can look in at yourself and poison your bumbuckler self, man. You know how much rat black sell a foreign? And if you don't catch rat black, you know how much roach poison the boy. You have only one where you can heat the pace. Squeeze it down in your blood clot throat and kill yourself, man. Because you don't ever love prove to people so you straight or you a batty, man. A be a girl you no kill, you eat see girl happy, you cuss girl the most. When you hear selector in a dance, a cuss girl, you can't believe it. Because you a Batman, be a blood clot Batman, you no be. When you looking at Batman alone, behave the way you see you behave, you go clean out the whole of your blood clot cupboard. Clean out the whole of your blood clot cupboard, Batman. I say, here, hey baby, your mom go like dog, eat this, eat that. Be a Batman that Jamaica, me not ask. You say, what you mean if it's a big girl that me not ask? Me I tell you. Big blood clot idiot girl that. You see me I did? And as a Jamaican man stay with girl overall. You see me I did? Overall. That's how anytime we come here upon a topic, we always have here I lean back over to the woman them. You see me, because guess what now? Jamaican man treat woman the worst. Yeah, man. Them treat girl the worst. And then love big up girl and that about. Yeah, man. We love girl. Jamaican man, them treat girl the worst. Worse. If you are look on a Jamaican man, if you tell him say you love him, you drop down and dead, dirty girl. You drop down and dead, he rate you. Him rate you. I rate him, say him rate you. So you see, for the mere fact say a Jamaican man can't love women, and that's the reason why them kill women the way how they do. You understand what I deal with? Look upon that the man they are sent Thomas to kill himself and his wife and his baby mother. Jamaican man don't know how to love. Them know how to rate. Rate your pussy 9 out of 10. Rate our pussy, man. That's all. Rate. Because Jamaican men don't know how to love women. And we're not going to argue about that. Because we know. We are not going to argue about that. We are not going down that road with you as a Jamaican man. You see me, we know that for sure. Before a Jamaican man tell a woman say him love her, him rather kick down that. Before a Jamaican man tell a woman how much she mean to him rather stab up and kill that. You see me, I deal before a Jamaican man embrace a woman and love her, him bring her down. I mean, now cuss it on the dog. And when I see out of my eye, me attack. Oh, me so wanna deal with woman as Jamaican man. Wanna deal with woman the worst, like they don't mean nothing to you. More than some fuck. You see me, I did? Why you love your girl? You want a girl give me some good fuck, man. You see me, be a good fuck. I have to rate her, man. You never hear a Jamaican man and tell him brethren say, yo, you know, say, I love my woman, do dog. I love her, you fuck. Always hear him. Yeah, man, I rate her, you fuck, dog. I don't say, no girl, I rate like her, dog. I rate her, you fuck. Brother, you see the mere fact say, you can't love woman, and the reason why you kill woman the way you kill woman. You see me I deal with? Yeah. You see, if you did love woman and not rate them, you would make sure to take care of them. Jamaican man don't believe in taking care of a woman, and that's a fact. And when me say take care of, me mean take care of. They don't believe in a broken bread. A girl alone for you do everything. Me done there already. That is enough. No. Jamaican man don't take care of woman. Then woman don't mean nothing to them. Alright. Before a Jamaican man treat him, woman him rather go out him and him friend them go buy buckles. Before the man carry him woman out on a date, go eat some food at one part, him man rather bring out him bridging them go braff. Because them feel, Jamaican men feel like say, if you love a woman, yes, a girl clown, she's a joker, you must see a idiot, no girl can't run made, me not mad over no girl. No. Jamaican men have a mentality for make it, make not loving a woman a thing. Say, yeah man, for once you don't love your woman, you are the real Jamaican man, for you are this your woman, I really sting. Jamaica woman them believe in a dissing women. That forget this man. This are. She know all if I'm baby mother, them girl forget this. Because him don't know how to love. So guess what now? Him won't treat her the way him treat her. Him go kick her, him will beat her, him will stab. Alright, when you're there with a Jamaican man, you are no longer a woman, you are his property. Property. So you see, what is a property now? If you take up my blood clean case, this is my property, you know. I'm jug out that out there and I shot in your face and kill you. They don't touch me things. If that property ever try to left him, he can kill it. He can do anything you want. Choke that to death, stab that to death, chop that to death because of female. You see me? A Jamaican man don't look for women like with the love of my life, you know. At last, my love is coming on. No, sir. Yeah, idiot, man. Buck it up on the dump patch up. Turn it around for the bread and catch up. Inna your gut, man, I just bark up. Inna your hole, man, I just cough up. Yeah, man. Because when time him see you, him see a fun time, some fuck. Him never see worse. If you tell a Jamaican man, say, yo, you ever dance the woman yet? Yeah, man. What you mean? Yeah. But have you ever danced with a woman yet? Oh, yeah, you think man a church, man? Forget about me a blood clot wall. See no girl like say me a blood clot married, but blood clot Ray. You must be mad. You're a joker. You have get them belly tab out, ram out in gut in I dance, ram out that mama have a ride off my blood clot cocky in I dance. Shoot them girl, I'm dig it with pussy. You see me? Them don't know. Oh, if you embrace a woman, other than if you just a jam and her. If you tell a Jamaican man, say, yo, come dance with me, you don't want it. Do you start jump up on your back, in dirty foot, in your clothes, him and your roller ground, and that is so romantic. That is romantic. So that is dancing for them. But you see, if you hold up on a woman and gently and move with her, you know, why she even drop, you just hold up. But not them. You think man a batty man youth? You think, what the fuck you think man turn up in a dance with blood clot girl but me a Ray? I eat that youth. If she want to wind up her mouth, she wind up her mouth, cocky gets him, go shove that in her mama belly around her back this. You see me? Mommy, right now every day me and some other girl but not all. Pine pan one. Mommy a 98 we are talking about. Somebody tells you just pack up everybody in a boat. 98 we are reason about this, mother. 98% of the whole of them junk are still so. Some me no want to hear about the other 2%. Them they are only if you feed them own like a self. Mommy, you know how much woman cannot point on a man and say he's a good man, this she does a satisfy. Tap him, mommy. 99. Mommy, don't, you know, enough woman there with them man right there's a, yeah, I satisfy, she a satisfy, She, I know this, but she does a satisfy, she a gonna hold that. You see me, I text her, she does, alright, fuck it. Take that. You see me, I did, nobody feel like it. Somebody say, all of them. Mommy, right here now, no woman can come tell us that I have the greatest man in the world. One or two. So them settle. Then they settle for that. Me can't work with that. Alright, you want to give me one, okay, you want to give me 1, 2, 3, bun. Boom. Alright, fuck it. You might give me 1, 2, 3 bun for a year. Me can't take 1, 2, 3 bun. I don't know that. Yeah, man, yeah. Alright, yeah. Cause at least he might come home to me and so. Oh, yeah, man, he always out with him friend them, but at least he come home to me at night. I'm a whole heap of woman out here a circle. A whole heap of them out here a circle. Alright, him can work with. Oh, you mean if woman love them man? Man can never love as hard as a woman, man. That's why them balls so youth. Uno no ball, you know. Uno kill. Because uno think uno own people. Because that's so full of love go. Yes, woman love. But when time uno do it, we ball you fuck. and can't eat and buy ice cream and we friend them come rub with you. Bitch again. Oh, it's okay, bitch. It's okay. I'm here for you, bitch. Fuck that nigga. I don't give a fuck about that nigga. Fuck him. Fuck this nigga. I mean, bitch, look at you. So beautiful, you know, bitch. Don't let this man try to, you feel me? Oh no. Oh no, go talk to no friend them. Yo, dog, you know that big pussy girl there around here that go like she take man for fool. Me no want to go shot that in her face in a bad man. Cause me tell him, me know that girl there around there chat to that brother there at night time and see, who you think me go around there? Anytime me catch up in an argument, you know woman stay. Go around there. You say, hey girl, you fuck Gerald. More every day coming here with your blood clot, nice. Every day, yeah, alright, yeah, me a fuck him. Me name a falling cocky too. Awa. Stab a girl, kill a girl. Dirty girl for no fucking reason. Dirt the fucking girl, right? That's a dirt. One time you and a girl argue now, you don't have a blood clot girl when you shake, you think I don't say that shaker. You don't say that shaker, you know, I'm not saying until you suck. So I'm the shaker, mama. What that I gonna do for you now? You're gonna just go sit down over there, so, and hold that. You say, tell your mama one half a day, so be. How you, man? How that girl? Walk through the door, you think you're some kind of top bad booba, lie down right this and ball me. You know man not dirty, your mama lie down right this and ball and call her friend and say, Patrice! Mama tell you this so good, mama tell you, long time I kill Shawty the girl, amount of time. But you know what, I just make you go on in the girl, I just make you go on in the girl, New Year, I must find a way out. Yeah, but not you. You're not gonna take it so. You, when you done dirt, mama and stab, mama and kick, mama and beat, mama in that blood clot there. Mama would have sorry saying say when you say all the time, mama never did a fucking for you. But you know, girl pick them out, say, yeah, me a fuck him, yeah, them have you, so. Yeah, me a fuck him, so. Yeah, he burn you. Yeah, kill him. Bow. Lick him in the murder that, tap that. You know, yeah, mama, you mean me a fuck blood clot carry, so I post so you gotta do about that. Me a fuck her, me a fuck she, me a fuck you too. Tell your mama over, move kicking in your face and go from her someone. You have to lie down there and ball. But you know you can't say that to him, dog, got dirty. Dog, I got dirty, blood clot, and you have to stay there and take dirt. Dead, you're dead, girl. You see me a deal with right, there's a dead bitch, so I'm call you right now. How the girl I talk to? Ratchik, bow, right, that's her now. You see me? But make sure as you walk, I got through the door and not this to a big pussy girl, man. But blood clot, right? Oh, you want cut in a cut? Suck your mother. Boss, what gun in here too? To that idiot girl. Like you feel like you take man for fool. Suck your mother to you, man. Big idiot, girl. Better make sure say time I come back in a day or two, because we don't know who the fuck you think you talk to. Like you know someone a general. Big idiot, girl. You have to lie down right this and ball. But make a you. I bet your blood clot. I bet you. Say what him say. Say what him said to you a while ago. Yeah, me a girl and a tyrant yard go fuck right now. Name off the whole line blood clot. Cause this say, love you. One day while you have the whole line cocky around there right so now. Cause when me fuck them boy, me fuck them dreader than you, you know. Dead, mama. Cause you know what girl mouth talk, they not tap it up. Yeah, man. Me used to follow Camila in lip. Come and tell them you got a reason with you, you know. For the rest of the life, you know. Come, you remember when me used to blood clot follow up your lip tracing? Cause come feisty, you know. Ring. Cause come about this, you know. Fuck a little so, you know. But you come so little, come thinking can say what you must say to it done. Remember me a bad man. Me tell Camille, Mr. Camille, I christen myself from the streets. Cause you see what time did out in the streets molly and frozen like a doctor them downtown. I never know joke. When come start to the come so I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Brother. Worse than time me all the day I tell him some blood clot sit on me now. Come don't come. Time mama start, you know. When good I start, yeah, come. So I don't care. Hey. Come, relax yourself. Because me I say something to you. You hear me? You hear me? No? I don't care, you're stupid, you're a fucking stupid, you're dumb. You're fucking dumb, you're a stupid bitch. You're a stupid fucking bitch. Camille, Davey. I will fuck you up. I tell her, Mr. Come, I will fuck up you. Stop it. I don't care, you're stupid. I can't take that part in there. Yes, man. Oh, hey, don't play no. Yes, man. Oh, yo, bitch. Brother, cause them the time the one time me and my wife just started talking and I forgot that she's a Yankee and I'm a yard man, right? Jesus Christ. Because the Yankee them a do it, you know. I never planned for it. I did not plan for it. Me never planned for it. Because I think she good. Because I come that she little. Come little and cute. You know, expect that she, and then she's a fire with a blood clot, you know that. I don't care, you a stupid ass bitch. I don't give a fuck about you, nigga. Shut the fuck up. You need to shut the fuck up, nigga. Yo, I remember as a yard man on me, I say, yo, why y'all go do that? Why y'all talk to me in a such manner? You see me, I did? Why in a such blood clot manner y'all deal with it like that, like you want me to go to jail? You see me, I did? Me I say, come, Bill. Come, shut the fuck up. Cause you no. Let me tell you. What I tell you just feel like yo, sometimes I tell you the blood clot come out, get the best of me. Jesus Christ. Sometimes I have to say the mercy I weed. At the mercy of the blood clot weed. And I just stop follow up coming up. Me stop follow up come because one time come and beat me up. Me at first when come start lick me first, you know, cause she can't talk without no. You see me I did? And me have a like sensitive temple. You see me I did? You can't fuck with my temple them look weird. And come dead and he cuss and he call me bitch. You a stupid ass bitch. You a dumb ass bitch. Look at you being a stupid ass bitch. Look at you. You see me I did? I feel a way one way. You know myself. And sometimes I want clot him. Me not gonna do it no man 10 times my size, you know. Just see you crazy. No, me have to smoke and forget to come do it. Because sometimes I come face, you know, you look more rank. You see me come just, you can't cuss. Huh? When my wife have attitude, you not give me no pussy, man. When come give attitude, me not get no pussy. You crazy? She not give me no pussy. So hear what me do now. Me just learn to start back my fist in it. So I can hear what go on now. It's easy if you just get a like a stimulant. You see me I did? She like bed there. If me get fit, cause some of the time out there when me get me in a bed, sometimes me out of bed. You see me I did? Cause watch now people. Yeah, you see me fuck up real bad. Me have to in a couch, you see me? That is the dog house. You see me? She put me in a dog house. You see me get in a bed with her? Yeah. Me go on, you know what I mean? Like, you know? Try to touch it first. Like, touch on her. You know, if you see if, alright, because you have to test woman, you know. That's why when a boy, you don't know how boy girl, you see, you have to judge her bexness with the rub. You see, if you rub her, and she don't move or shake, that means it's a go. But if she wants even shake or shift, don't touch him because you're going up in a bigger hot water. Because I remember I'm a bad man, you know what I mean? What do you know? I say, pussy clad people. What do you mean come and reason me? I say, what you know, dog? Sometimes I wish you tell me, yeah, get a blood clot, yeah, give me some pussy and thing. Because look like what they be, yeah, argue, I want to fuck you ear at me. How do you know that? I say, my bumper clot, yeah? Mr. Mama, give me a signal when time a time. Just tell me, give me a signal when time you begs me. I don't know how the signal I go. SOS, ooh, 1, 2, to a whistle, something. You see me? Something. Don't blood guy. Me I say, yeah, car me tell her how me test her, you know. You see me I deal with me tell her how me test her. I say, come. When you begs, me give you the body test. You see me? I push my hand and rub the body. You see me I deal with? If she move, she don't want me. But if she don't move, that means me can draw close. Yeah, you see me? I say, my blood clot. Me say, yo, me remember one night and I want me to vex with me and boy. Mama passed me in one of the bottom body works business them day in a bad man. And me I tell you, say, Mama smells so lovely. Jaja. I say, Father, you see me? I'm going in her room. But no, I'm not feel in there. But I go in there. Lie down on the bed, she make me lie down. I say, God, please, me I beg you, make a girl lie down for me and fuck me after I die there. I say, Father, because I know me wrong. When me do wrong, so me know me can't go touch her. You see me sit down there now, me I say, yo, please, God, she pass me like bottom body works and you might have one of them look mesh thing there, like G-string and that. She has seduced me. She want to give me like give me like client thing. You see, I mean, I fuck it. Yes, fuck it. Mama left me alone, man. Yes, alright, yeah. We are gonna touch her, you know. We are gonna touch Mama and I say, yes. We're going to get close by the body, the woman warm. I said, Jaja, me a draw it closer and closer. Yeah, come here, Nana. Come on. You know how I feel about getting intimate when we argue. Yo. Bad man, if you cut me, I'm gonna bleed you. I said that. Yo. Bad man, yo. Yo, me say bad man, me not tell her, me get up on my side cuss. Cause that you, what that you do? What that hour? Or what that? That hour? What you do? What that? Or what that? Or something that? You do something? She tricked me. Mr. Badman, me I tell you some drawing clothes. One woman be tell you some body so warm. Me I said, Jesus, yes, this is me say, yes. Me do it, you know, me can't get to kiss up, mama. You see me I deal with my blood clot as me I drawing clothes, me I drawing clothes. Me I say, yes. Dry clothes. I say, yeah, we can't finally cuddle because I not sleep good and more talk to me. Then. My door lock. Yeah, my door lock. Come in through the door, huh? She don't work. You didn't want to phone. She don't work. Hopefully. I wonder if she out to do. Yo, I'm gonna leave for now.